So first off, I am going to go to advertising and we're going to go to promotions. This is the promotion screen and what we're going to choose is percent off and create. Next, it's going to be at least one item is what they're going to be ordering, and we're going to do a percentage off. In this instance, we're going to be 95%. And for the item, we're going to have our ASIN list, which in this instance is only one product, since it's only one product on the account. Further down, we're going to have the start end date. Of course, you can have the start date anytime you want, as long as it's before the launch, of course. But you can go ahead and create the codes today, even if your launch is 5 or 10 days, 20 days from now. So from here, let's just say our launch is on the 30th. I honestly would probably have it expire after that. You know, if there's an issue with that actual launch date or time, we definitely don't want those coupon codes to expire. Plus, we're also using single-use coupons, so I wouldn't be worried about a group coupon being left out there in the wild and then being used for 2 or 3 days later. So if my launch was on the 30th, I honestly would have, me personally, I would have no issue going out to the 5th or so. But if you want to bring it back a little bit more, you could say maybe the 2nd. Okay. Now, time I can just leave at midnight. If you really are worried about it, you can get it closer to launch time, but I would definitely leave it at the end of the day. Internal description is whatever you want to call it. Okay, so in this instance, it's hammock swivel hooks. I could just say, hammock 95, let's just say. Tracking ID, I usually just copy and paste the same. Claim codes. Now, we're going to expand here, and as you can see, claim codes is going to be single use. Hopefully, you guys have used coupon codes before. What that means is that each customer is going to get one code that can only be used once, essentially. Okay, one redemption per customer. We want to make sure that one customer does not go back to the well. Now, our system prevents that from happening, but if maybe they're super sneaky hackers and they get 2 coupon codes using on the same Amazon account, this would definitely prevent them from claiming or utilizing 2 of those codes. All right, next up is going to be our claim code. We're going to choose exclusive. Okay. Or excuse me, unrestricted. We're going to choose unrestricted. So unrestricted coupon codes, the only downside with that is, let's say you have a coupon code that is an automatic coupon code on your main detail page. Let's just say, add to cart today and get 5% off. It's something that's automatically added, or maybe add your item to the shopping cart today and get free shipping. This promo code will be stacked on top of that. So just be conscious of that. To be honest, 99% of you Amazon sellers out there will probably not have codes that automatically are added. Some of them will be if you add two or 3 items to cart, then it can be combined with unrestricted. So again, let's just say you're selling supplements and it says, hey, add 3 bottles of a supplement to my cart and get an automatic 10% off. And then, of course, they combine this 95% off. It will combine them together. So just be conscious of that. If you want more information on it, go ahead in this search bar over here. You can type in promo codes. And when it pops up, the first one, claim promo codes, combinability. And that'll give you all the information you want to know about what can be combined, what cannot be combined. But we go ahead and do unrestricted. Okay. Next up is custom messaging. So this used to be an issue of the detail page display text used to be on. We go ahead and make sure that is, of course, is off by default. Now Amazon turns it off, so do not worry about that. And then checkout display text, promotion applied. I like to have a little bit of fun with this one. Maybe this is a little tip. Sometimes I like to do remember to review. Let's just say. And if I actually spell it correctly, there we go. And so when they go ahead and check it out, and it says remember to review as they check out, hopefully kind of adds into their subconscious to go ahead and leave a review. From there, I'm going to go ahead and click on review so it can go ahead and review my settings. Okay, it's going to alert that's greater than 70%. I'm okay with that. I'm going to hit submit. And then from here, I can go ahead and do view my promotion. And if I'm out of the screen, I can go ahead and go manage your promotions here. So I'm going to go ahead and modify it. From here, I'm going to come over and manage claim codes. And from our example, which was the jump rope, let's just say it's last launch, and it's going to be 315. let's just say, and I'm going to generate 315 codes, and do, actually, you know what? Generate a few more, and so that we can go ahead and test them. So go ahead and hit create, and as you can see, 316 codes is created, and now I can hit download and upload this set of codes to Celo.tools. So hopefully this information was helpful. Hopefully it made sense. Hopefully it's not too complicated. And if you guys have any questions, go ahead and jump into the Amazon FBA Kings group and let us know. Thanks, guys.